Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick video here on these Brembo brakes and the crazy dust. I know there's quite a few of them out there, but this is the rear one. Not too bad, you can kind of see there a little bit. But I just cleaned these and the front is just insane. I mean, yeah. So we're going to take care of that with the Powerstops. Actually, just got them in with a couple other parts. Also going to be doing a quick video on this. Got the Sto-N-Sho, the front license plate mount. That way you can mount it using some of these existing bolt holes up underneath here. I don't know if you could see them. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. And then here's the Powerstop Extremes. So this is a pretty common mod on these vehicles just because of all that brake dust. I am going to keep the Brembo pads in case I do a track day, but here's the part numbers. So yeah, but yeah, anyway, like I said, just wanted to just do a quick video, just kind of, I guess, a little preview of what I'm going to be doing next on the car. Probably going to do this next week because we're going out of town this week. But yeah, just this brake dust is insane. So anyway, stay tuned. I should have that video uploaded in about a week or so.